Hi friends, today's video is about Pereskia aculeata or lemon wine. Hope you guys enjoy it. If you guys are new to my channel, consider subscribing to the channel. Also press the bell notification button so that you'll be notified whenever I post new videos. So friends, I'll start off the video by showing you guys the bud from this plant. These are very mature buds that might bloom the next day. See, you can see already one has already bloomed. So this is how the buds look in this wine. So this is a close-up of the bloom the next day. You can find a lot of similarity to a cactus bloom if you are a gardener who grows cacti. You might be familiar with another genetic variant of the same plant with different looking flowers. I have given a small picture of the plant on the corner of the screen. So Pereskia is actually a subgenus that comes under the broad classification called as Cactaceae. So actually Pereskias are a rainforest or tropical version of the cactus that we know and love. They are very delicate blooms that only last for a single day. So if your plant is mature and very bushy, it will produce a lot of buds and keep on giving you a pretty good show for at least a week. They are not year-round bloomers. They only bloom once or twice a year, and the rest of the time the flowers will be maturing into berries or small fruits that resemble lemons. This is the reason why this wine is called a lemon wine. Now let's take a look at how we can care for this beautiful wine. As I mentioned before, they are from the cactus family, so obviously they need a lot of light to perform well. They can also grow under lower light conditions, but that would result in a very weaker and less prolific plant than the one grown under full sun. When it comes to watering, they need much more water than a regular cactus would. You have to water this plant minimum 2 to 3 times a week. Also keep in mind to give a very well draining medium with a lot of gravel or other amendments to increase the drainage. So friends, few weeks have passed by and this is what those blooms have turned into. This is why it is also called a lemon wine as well, because of the small lemon-like fruits that they produce. They are still very raw and not mature enough. They can further ripen into a deep yellow color or orange color and is also edible. I was actually waiting for the fruits to ripen and show you guys the final product or the final fruits in this video itself, but they were really testing my patience. So I'll further post an update video about the fruits in the near future. The fruit is actually very tasty and can be eaten once it is ripe. It is a rich source of protein, iron, etc. One final thing I want to remind you guys before I wind up this video is that this is a cactus and you should be always aware that it has a lot of thorns on the vine, and be aware and careful while handling the plant. So hope today's video was helpful, so kindly subscribe to the channel for future videos like this.